Hi everyone, in this part we are going to learn about properties of 3D shapes. Okay, so mainly we will focus about number of faces, vertices and edges that we can find from 3D shapes. Okay, so now let's get started. First of all, you should know what is 3D shape. Okay, so 3D means three-dimensional shape. Okay, so where we can find three different dimensions which are width, length, and height. Okay, as you can see here, three different dimensions are there. So that's why we call them as 3D shape. Okay, and also all the 3D shapes are solids. Okay, and the first one is a cube. These are some of the examples that we can find for a cube shape. Okay, gift boxes and something like ice cube, dice. Okay, so these are some of the examples for cube shape. Okay, and also from the cube shape, we can find six faces will be there, and all of them are square faces. Okay, and eight vertices will be there. Vertices mean corners. Okay, at the top we can have four corners, at the bottom we can have four corners. Okay, so altogether we can have eight vertices, and edges 12 we can find. Okay, it's the lines. Okay, so we can have, and the next one is a cuboid. As you can see here, two square faces will be there and four rectangle faces are there. So altogether we can have six faces, and eight vertices will be there and 12 edges are there. Okay, so these are some of the examples for cuboid shape. Okay, there is a book and this stuff. Okay, and the next one is a triangle prism. Okay, so where you can see two different faces. Okay, so two triangles are there and three rectangles are there. So altogether we can have five faces, and this side we can have three corners, and here this side also we can have three corners. Okay, so altogether we can have six vertices, and also the lines, when you count, we can have nine edges. Okay, and these are some of the examples for triangle prism. Okay, so as you can see here, the house and the tents and the swing, the triangle prism, all of them are resemble this triangle prism shape. Okay, and the next one is a tetrahedron, and it has four faces. Okay, and all of them are triangular faces. And here, for example, as I can say, is in chemistry we can have a lot of molecules with a tetrahedral geometry. Okay, and also we can have some of the parcels. Okay, with the tetrahedron shape, and also here we can have four vertices. Okay, for the tetrahedron, and six edges will be there. All right, and square base pyramid. So as you can see here, base is a square shape and the rest of the faces are triangle faces. Okay, so altogether we can have five faces with the five vertices, and eight edges will be there. And these are some of the examples for pyramid as well. Okay, and the next one is a cylinder. Okay, so here we can have three faces. Okay, the top one and the bottom one, and here the lateral part. Okay, so altogether we can have three faces, and we can have here one edge, and here there's one edge, so we can have two curved edge. Okay, and there will be no vertices here. As you can see here, the top and the bottom, both of them are flat faces, and the lateral part is a curved one. Okay, so there will be two different faces. Okay, flat face and curved faces are there. And for sphere, okay, so here we can have only one curved face. Okay, and there will be no edges and there will be no vertices. Okay, so for example, football, basketball, volleyball, and all of them are example. And also some of the Christmas ornaments also can have this sphere shape. Okay, and the next one is a cone. As you can see here, here also we can have two different faces. Okay, so at the bottom we can have a flat surface, and here we can have a curved face. Okay, so two faces will be there, and here also we can have curved edge. Okay, so one curved edge will be there and one vertex. Okay, so one corner is there. Okay, as you can see, for example, carrot. Okay, it resembles as the cone, and the ice cream cone. Okay, so these are some of the examples. And as a summary, what I wanted to say is, I have taken cube and a cone. Okay, so as you can see here, from the cube we can have six square faces. Okay, and all of them are flat face. But in here in the cone, as you can see here, we can have two different faces. Okay, one is a flat face, another one is a curved face. Okay, so under the faces we can have two different faces. One is a curved face, another one is a flat face. Okay, and also from a cube we can have something like edge. Okay, edge means something like these lines. Okay, a line where two faces meet. Okay, so in between we can have these lines. These can be called as edge. Okay, so in here all of them are flat edge, but in here, as you can see here, we can have a curved edge. Okay, so under the edge also we can have two different edges. One is a flat and the one is a curved edge. Okay, so as you can see the summary, These are some of the 3D shapes. Okay, so this is chart. You can have the number of faces and edges and vertices for everything. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye everyone, and see you all next time.